In this video, we are going to compare two popular website builders, Wix and BigCommerce. We will look at their features, pricing, and who they are best for. This will help you choose the right one for your online store. Let's get started. Let's start with Wix. Wix is a website builder that is super easy to use. It's like playing with building blocks but for a website. You can drag and drop things anywhere you want on your page. This means you have a lot of freedom to make your site look exactly how you imagine it. Wix has hundreds of templates to get you started. These are like ready-made designs for different kinds of websites. Whether you have a bakery, a photo portfolio, or a small online store, there's a template for you. Wix also has a cool feature called Wix ADI. That's short for Artificial Design Intelligence. You just answer a few questions and it builds a website for you in minutes. It's perfect if you are in a hurry or not sure where to start. Plus, Wix has a huge app market. Think of it like an app store for your website. You can add tools for booking appointments, running a blog, or selling products online. Now, let's talk about its top features. Wix's drag and drop editor is its most famous feature. It is very easy and fun to use. You can click on any elements on your page, like a picture or a text box, and move it anywhere. You are not stuck in a fixed layout. This gives you total creative control over your website's design. Imagine you want to put your logo in a very specific corner of the page. With Wix, you can just drag it there. You can also easily resize elements by pulling on their corners. This feature is great for beginners because you don't need to know any code. What you see on the screen is exactly what your visitors will see. This makes designing for your website a very visual and hands-on experience. Are you short on time or feeling a bit lost on design? Wix ADI is here to help. This is a super smart tool that builds a website for you. All you have to do is answer a few simple questions about your business or project. You'll tell it what your website is for, what features you need, and the style you like. Then, like magic, Wix ADI creates a unique website just for you. It picks out images, writes some text, and puts everything together in a beautiful layout. Of course, you can still make changes after it's done. You can edit the colors, fonts, and anything else you want. It's the fastest way to get a professional-looking website up and running. The Wix app market is like a treasure chest for your website. It has over 300 apps that you can add to your site to make it do more things. Do you want to sell things online? There's an app for that. Need to let people book appointments with you? There's an app for that too. You can find apps for blogging, social media, contact forms, and so much more. Many of these apps are free to use. Some have extra features that you can pay for if you need them. Adding an app is as simple as clicking a button. This makes it really easy to add powerful features to your website without needing to be a tech expert. Wix has a plan for everyone. They even have a free plan. The free plan is good for trying things out, but it has Wix ads on it. If you want to look more professional, you'll want a paid plan. The Lite plan is great for personal websites and costs around $17 a month. If you want to sell online, you will need the core plan, which is about $29 a month. For businesses that are growing, the business plan at around $36 a month offers more tools. And for big businesses, the Business Elite plan has everything you could need. Remember, you save money if you pay for a full year at once. Wix is perfect for people who want total creative freedom. If you have a very specific design in mind, Wix will let you build it. It's also great for beginners because it's so easy to use. Small business owners, artists, photographers, and bloggers will all find Wix very helpful. If you want a lot of features and the ability to add more with apps, Wix is a fantastic choice. Now, let's talk about BigCommerce. BigCommerce is a powerful e commerce platform. It is designed specifically for building online stores. It has a lot of built in features to help you sell more. Unlike Wix, BigCommerce is focused only on e commerce. This means all its tools are made to help you manage and grow your online business. It is a great choice for serious sellers who want to scale up. BigCommerce can handle stores of all sizes, from small shops to large enterprises. It helps you sell on your website, on social media, and on marketplaces like Amazon. If you want a robust platform to build a successful online store, BigCommerce is worth looking at. Ready to see what makes BigCommerce so powerful? Let's dive in. One of the top features of BigCommerce is its built-in sales tools. BigCommerce comes with many features already included. You don't need to add a lot of apps to get started. It has tools for managing your products, inventory, and others. You can offer discounts, coupons, and gift cards to your customers. It also has a built-in blog to help you with marketing. A great tool is the Abandoned Cart Saver. This feature automatically sends emails to customers who left your store without buying. This can help you get back lost sales. Everything you need to run your store is in one place. Another key feature is multi-channel selling. This means you can sell your products in many places online. You can connect your BigCommerce store to Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. You can also sell on big marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, and Google Shopping. You manage everything from your BigCommerce dashboard. When you update a product in BigCommerce, it updates everywhere you sell. This saves you a lot of time and effort. It helps you reach more customers and make more sales. Imagine selling your product all over the internet from one spot. Finally, BigCommerce is highly scalable. This means the platform can grow with your business. It can handle large number of product and orders. As your store gets more popular, BigCommerce can handle the traffic. It is reliable and secure platform. This is important for building trust with your customers. Many big brands use BigCommerce for their online stores. This shows that it is a platform you can count on for the long term. If you have big plans for your business, BigCommerce can support you all the way. BigCommerce also has different pricing plans. The standard plan is for new stores and costs about $29 per month. It includes all the essential features to start selling. The Plus plan is for growing businesses and is around $79 per month. It has more marketing tools to help you grow. The Pro plan is for larger businesses and costs about $299 per month. This plan can handle high volume of sales. There is also an enterprise plan for very large businesses with custom pricing. Like Wix, you can save money by paying annually. BigCommerce is best for businesses that are serious about e-commerce. It's for people who want a powerful and scalable platform to grow their online store. If you plan to sell a lot of products or sell on multiple channels, BigCommerce is a strong choice. It's great for both small businesses with big ambitions and large established brands. If your main goal is to sell online, BigCommerce has the specialized tools you need. So, which one is right for you? If you want an easy-to-use website builder with a lot of creative control, Wix is a great option. It's perfect for beginners and small businesses. If you are focused on building a powerful online store with plans to grow, BigCommerce is the better choice. It has more built-in sales features. I hope this comparison was helpful. Let me know in the comments which one you are thinking of using. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.